people, get your hands together. The greatest, two greatest, I tell you, living treasures for Hawaii. Really, God bless. Aloha i loha ka kua pau na ohana ki ia mai mai e kumapai e nā te atu hopo mai tai a oe. Mele kiliki maka haole maka hiki hou. Aloha! Ready? Make ala hele ho i Yesu. I halo ai, atu ai. Meke kanaka, opi o hano hano. Kaula nei ta wai mai. Hani mai, opi o tuhatu. Mai tai, e aho i tau, e hana atu ai. I loa e ke ona himene kapo, no ana. Have lilo, I ko maulai vai. Hulia a hai mahi aku, I loa e ke ola ia oe. Have lilo, I ko maulai vai. Hulia a hai mai, I loa. Let me walk through paradise with you, Lord. Take my hand, lead me there. All my earthly treasures I gladly give. Show me how to love, how to share. Honey mai, opihio, tuhatu, mai tai. E aho i tau, e hana atu ai. I loa ai ke ola mau i a haoe. Have li, I ko mau vai vai. Hulia ai mai ia, I loa ai ki a haoe. Have lilo, I ko mau vai vai. Hulia ai, I loa ai ke ola. I loa ai ke ola mau.
I love this man.
Aloha!
One more big end. Hello.
We want to say Merry Christmas to each and every one of you. Aloha ki kahi i ki kahi, the love that we share with one another. And mele kliki maka, haoli maki ki ho, the most important. Be nice to one another, you know. And the holidays are here. You see somebody that needs kokua, need help, give them kokua. Haoli pilikia. Because, yeah, we can help, God bless.
That's what it's all about. This man is a very charitable, wonderful man, known a very, very long time. And you've always been so good to me, Uncle, I tell you. And I really appreciate you. Thank you so very much.
You're very talented too, a young man, and God bless when young people follow that path of righteousness. God bless. Aloha kia pua. This song is dedicated to all the wahinis, all the ladies. Ku'u ipo i ka he'e pue one. Translated in missionary terminology. Ku'u ipo i ka he'e pue one.
That works for me.
Ipo i ka he'e Laila. Oh, no. and I, wakili oku, maua, anahewe. You and I together, wakili oku, maua, anahewe. Kuipo, ikahehe, waone, bekikai, beika, ilili. Ipo aku, ilaila. You and I together. Wakili oku, maua, anahewe. Wakili oku, maua, ikana.
I love you, Uncle.
Come on, people, get your hands together. The finest, the greatest.
Oh, I love this man. I love this man. We love you so much. Thank you so very much. Well, we're almost